To make a lectern in Minecraft, you need 4 wooden slabs and then you need a bookshelf to craft a lectern. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to cut down some trees to get wood logs. And then you want to gather up some sugar canes to make paper. And then, to make a book in a bookshelf, you need to kill some cows so that you can obtain leather. And then head over to your crafting table to do some crafting. First, make paper by placing the sugar canes in the middle row. Then make a book by placing the leather in any one of the block and then 3 blocks of paper. And then once you have 3 books, make sure to convert your wood logs into wood planks. And then make a bookshelf by placing the books in the middle row and filling up the top and the bottom row with wood planks. And then place the wooden planks in any one of the rows to get wooden slabs. And then place the slabs and the bookshelf in this particular order to craft a lectern.